Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are enjoying the videos. Today we will see the basic text function in Google Spreadsheet and Excel. There are three basic functions: upper, lower and proper. We will see how to use them all in Google Spreadsheet and Excel as well, and Microsoft Excel as well. Why we need this function? Because sometime the data entry operator will enter the data in lowercase, sometime in uppercase, sometime mix match between lower and upper, sometime lower, sometime upper. So the data will not look like presentable. So to convert the data into a presentable format or in a proper format, so I will use one of these three functions to make the uniform data in a unique format. Either it's upper or lower or proper. Let us see what are these functions and how can we use in Google Spreadsheet and Excel as well. The syntax is very simple. Is equal to upper, within bracket we need to give the argument, which is the text. Text always comes in double quotation, so don't forget to use the double quotation. If it is a cell reference, then no need to mention double quotation, but if it is a constant text, so we must apply the double quotation. So whatever the format is, the upper will convert the data into uppercase. So here is the example of upper text. So all the text is in uppercase. 100% same for the lower. Only the difference is whatever is written in the argument will be converted into lowercase. Like here is an example of lowercase. The same formula, the output is different. The use of formula is same. Basically the formula is is equal to proper, so it will convert the text into a proper format. The proper format is the first letter of each word will be capitalized. So all the syntax provided on the right side are taken from Google Spreadsheet while typing the formula. We will see in the practice session as well. Okay, so this is our practice time. Let us go back to Microsoft Excel as well as Google Spreadsheet to use these functions one by one. Is equal to lower, so this is the cell reference A2. It will convert the text into lowercase. So if I need to apply the same formula for the rest of the values, I will drag the formula up to the end. The same thing here for is equal to proper, and the cell reference is A2, and it will convert the data into proper format. As you can see, the first letter of each word is capital, and same for lowercase. So it will convert, sorry, this is not a lower, this is upper. So this is upper, everything is in upper. So these are basically dynamic functions. If I'll change here something like I am from Pakistan, so everything will be changed because it's a reference, it's not a fixed text. So I can use it for fixed text as well, like is equal to lower, and here I can provide anything. Business analyst, so it will convert the text into lower. If I want to use the same formula for proper, what I need to do is definitely I will change the name of the formula only, and it will work. So instead of lower, upper, so this is This is it. So this is the way we can use the formula for the fixed text, and here how can we use for the cell referencing. Now let us see how can we use these formulas in Microsoft Excel. Very simple. 100% same is equal to lower cell reference job done is equal to proper cell reference job done is equal to upper cell reference job done. Keep in mind, if the data is already capital, it will keep it as it is, as a capital, like, okay. So if I want to use the same formula for fixed text, I can use is equal to lower and this analyst. So this is lower and this is upper proportion, and this is, and this is the uppercase. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and let's go back to our presentation. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and provide me your feedback in the comments box. I will review and I will be back with you. Okay, and if you really learn something from this video, share it with your friends and family members, and also don't forget to follow me on the blog computerforlearners.blogspot.com. Once again, thank you very much.